We just finished. We can try your name, Treeshick. Yeah, we already learned all your letter. I try Treeshick, Treeshick. Let's try. It's interesting. Here, hello. It's the T, letter T. I think the wire cut here. We make it the Treeshick. Yeah, T here. Let's see. Is make a loop at the top here, this one. Then we'll go to fold it here, tight it, and we fold it back here, the big T. Then fold it to the back. Okay, then we fold it and put the plier here. We make the letter R. So this is the R. OC linked. Yeah, OC linked. Okay, we can try. Wait, let me just step by step. Okay. Then we make E. Okay. Tight here. TR. Okay. TRE. And again the next the E. TREE. Okay. TREES here. Then we make a S. I'm going to here, fold it to the back, and we tight. Here we tight and we fold it here. I fold it here, then tight at this part and fold it back. Here, then fold it to the back. TREES. H. Tight at this part and fold it to the back. And fold it to front. Treesh. Here. ICK. I. And we'll make the letter C. HIC. Actually, bend it to front. Here. Okay. We should make the K a little bit like that big K. Here. The K maker not so much nice. Make the K maker in a mistake. Yeah. Okay. Here. Okay. Hi, Jessica. Happy to see you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my live streaming. Today we make the letter T. PQRST. Tomorrow is U. Okay. So it's Treeshick. It's HICK. Treeshick. Yeah. Hello, Terpia. Happy to see you. we just finished the letter here. I think after practice, we can make it better and better. So this is the way to make the Treeshick. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we make the letter Betty, and we make the Treeshick here today. Yeah, this one, both here. The K, we make a mistake. The K should be like this way to make it will be more nice. Yeah, this way make it the K fold it and wrap. Okay, here. Okay, so it's this. Okay, we're done. We're done. The Y wrapper. Today we learn the letter T. Yeah, we are learn the way of the letter T here. We make the big T and the little T. So today is the letter T. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. So the Y wrapper